When disaster strikes or danger is near, your local dispatch center sends emergency alerts to affected geographic areas to warn citizens of imminent danger to life or property. This includes notifications of wildfires, floods, police activity, and missing persons. Emergency alerts are automatically sent to all landline phones in an affected area. In order to receive alerts when you're away from home, you must create an account with the Larimer Emergency Telephone Authority. Citizens who register with LETA can choose to receive emergency alerts via cell phone, text message, and email. To create a free account, go to www.leta911.org. Citizens can register to receive alerts for as many as 5 locations in Larimer County. These could include your home, workplace, children's school, or a relative's home. We'll protect your personal information and won't share it with anyone. Visitors to Larimer County can also sign up for free emergency alerts. Simply text GO-LETA to 888-777 to sign up for emergency notifications via text. So don't wait until disaster strikes. Prepare now by going to www.leta911.org to sign up for emergency alerts. Please do it today and help us help you.